Uh-oh, I better look out. It's the Ponzerizer. Ponzerizer. Is he gonna Ponzerize me? How about I just sit on him? Sounds good to me. Sit on his fucking face. Big geef. I could probably turtle my way right through this match, but I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever fought a geef with a Honda.
Are you ready? Fight!
Oh, you're gonna jump back the whole match. Oh, that's baloney. Hey, look, it's the worst geef ever. It really is the worst geef ever. And you lose. Horrible players. Calling all scrubs. Get the fuck out of my way.
Battle continues. Fight!
Wow, he just stood there and did nothing at all.
This is the one we've been looking forward to.
Wow, he just mashed 360 and pressed all the buttons as hard as he could to hope it would come out. You better enjoy that. It's the only time you're gonna hit me this fucking round, bitch.
Now's your chance.
I'm gonna sit right here. I'll sit here for 73 seconds. Watch this. I'm not gonna attack.
Talk about your intense.
This guy has no fucking chance whatsoever. What'd he say? Time for glaucoma?
It's over.
I win. Aww. I'll catch him with Ultra then. There we go. Boom! Look at Zengi's face. Look at his face. What's happening there?
Honda wins.
That was so fucking easy. Unbelievable.